When previewing a clip in DaVinci Resolve 20, what if you wish to repeat playback from a particular point on your timeline without manually having to readjust the position of your red playhead? Inside the Edit window, first position the red playhead on your timeline by using the Selection Mode tool, which you can also do by pressing A, and by dragging the red playhead manually. Here in this example project, I will place the red playhead at the 10-second mark on my project timeline. To move the red playhead forward and back on your timeline by 1 frame, hold in K and tap L to shift the red playhead to the right by 1 frame, and hold in K and tap J to move the playhead back by 1 frame. With the red playhead in place at 10 seconds, I will press L, and the playback of the clip will run as normal. As the red playhead progresses, and I hold in Alt or Option if you're a Mac user and press L, the playback resumes at the original red playhead position at 10 seconds. This repetition can also work on playback that is in reverse. If I now press J, for example, with the red playhead positioned at the 14-second mark, and then hold in Alt and press L again, the reverse playback will commence at the 14-second mark once again. This technique should assist DaVinci Resolve users in the reviewing of their media files in their projects without having to spend additional time readjusting the red playhead on their project timeline. I hope that this tutorial was useful to you. Thank you very much for watching.